Hello, my name is Stephen Card and I'd like to welcome you to another cooking class with SketchUp. In this class we're going to complete the chair, turn it into an armchair, and then we're just going to copy components, make that into a sofa. So to start with, I'm just going to rotate this around a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. And if I go into my my front view here, if I try to create a rectangle, it should create a rectangle on that front face. So I'll just click in here and I'll just type in 4, 16. Okay, 16, 4. So sometimes it tries to guess what you're doing, and so it lays things down or whatever. But if you just retype it, then everything goes okay. You don't have to undo it and redo it and undo it and redo it. Just retype it as long as you haven't done anything. So the next step, I'm going to draw an arc. I click over here, click down here, and just try to make that arc tangential in here, and that looks pretty close, good enough for us. And I'm going to erase this and erase that, and now I have that shape. Now if you want to do a different shape, I'm quite okay with that. Any design that you would like to work with, I'm really happy to see something different than what I'm doing here. I'm just giving some direction for people that maybe don't really have any preferences, but if you have a preference, please try to do that. So with this now, I'm going to just pull this, and I can pull this, and if I can get over to just to the end of it, that just close is good enough. We're not too concerned. Once we've got that close, I think that's a little bit too much. I can push it in and maybe grab this edge here. Now it's exactly at that edge. That helps because if I go to copy it and rotate it, it'll be exactly the same fit on the other side, and it won't be forward or back a little bit. So now I have this, so I want to make this into a group, so I just select it, just this part here, or I can go 1, 2, 3. That just selects it as well. Right click and then make group. So I can go to the bottom now, and what I want to do is, if I want to do this accurately, I can do it by, I'm going to just change my texture from the shading from texture to say monochrome, or even just a wireframe like this. Then I can draw a line from here to here. I can see the line. So now I can select the arm, select rotate, pick the midpoint, just click up on the top and then run around and click here and type 180 degrees, enter, and then you know you've got that exactly. Now I forgot to copy it, so it's okay because I can do it again. Sometimes it's good to do it twice just so that you can see it once and then try and do it with me. So this time again, we click on the midpoint here, then control for copy. You notice I have a plus sign there. Click up on top, run all the way down, pick here, and now we have that. So I'll just select this line and hit delete, and now I can orbit around to here, and I will change my material back to textures. And now I'm ready to basically click on this, right click, soften, select the other one, right click, soften, just to get rid of that one line. So now I can add my material. Click on the eyedropper, select here, click, click. So this completes the construction of the armchair. So now if I just copy components, I can make my sofa. So with the select tool, if I click from here, going right to left, it selects all my objects on this side. So I click on move, control for copy, pull that over there. That's good. Then again select, Clicking just this part, just the chair itself. Move, copy. And now I'll just do the right side. Move, copy. Now, probably should have another set of legs in here. Just copy these. Move from the midpoint to the copy, of course, to the midpoint. And now I've completed the sofa. So all I have to do is make them into components and we're complete. Right click, make component, CAR-arm chair. Right click, make component. Great. So there we are. Now if I want to label them, click on the text tool. And there it is complete. I hope everything works out just as well for you as it has for me. So now I'd like you to design your own coffee table, whatever you like to do. If you want to put a glass tabletop on it, that would be nice. It's your preference, whatever you like, just whatever you like to create. Thank you. We'll see you in class.